So the number is 1.27. Yeah, I've forgotten anyway. So I'm placing. So you put your take profit and then your stop loss, then you place the trade. So you see that the pending order is placed here. You right click, and then you go to chart. You see that that's where the pending order is. This is the pending order I just placed on pound JPY. So it depends on the kind of pending order you want to place. So that's how to place a market institution or to place a pending order. And to close your trade, you tap on the pair. Have you seen this where the chart is? This is where the currencies are. This is where your trades are. So you click here, then you tap on it. When you tap on it, you see close order. So when you want to close the trade, you just tap on the close order. Then you close. Right. But right now I'm in a loss, so you close it in a loss. When you want to close half of the trade, which will be lot size 0.005, you reduce this to 0.005. So you'll be losing 0.5. So when I say close half of your trade, that's how you go about that. So for instance, you are in a trade. And you just place the trade without setting your stop loss and your take profit. And I say you should set your stop loss and take profit. You just tap on it. Then you go to modify order. When you go to modify order, you see your stop loss and your take profit there again. So you set your stop loss and your take profit. So this is my take profit and my stop loss. Then you click on modify. So you see that it will change. So this is it. You can see that my stop loss is here, my take profits are there. So that's how to place a pending order on your MetaTrader. So this is how it looks like. So when you place a trade, right now we are in profit. I can decide to close it. So as I'm teaching you, I want to close this one. So I just click on the close. So the order has been closed. So that's how it is. Thank you. So for your signals, you can contact the customer care and drop your number. You'll be given the appropriate steps as to how to receive the signals. What to do next. Thank you.
No things. Hear me now, no.